The upcoming iPhone 16 series by Apple is promised to deliver an exceptional experience. Within the few months before end of the 2024, Apple is gearing up to showcase an impressive array of features, including a larger design, enhanced high-quality displays, the introduction of a new capture button, and numerous internal enhancements. In this video, I will be revealing 7 significant updates obtained from recent leaks. Number 1. The latest Snapdragon X755G modem. Diving into the first leak update, let's discuss a significant feature exclusive to the 16 Pro models, the latest Snapdragon X755G modem. This leak, recently disclosed by Jeff Pu, carries disappointing news for a couple of reasons. It's worth noting that the existing standard iPhone 15 models already feature the same X70 modem as the 15 Pro models. This revelation was quite unexpected, given the exceptional performance of the X70 modem. Since upgrading to the 15 Pro Max, the 5G service has proven to be nothing short of incredible. The improvement has been noticed, especially at my residence and while traveling, seamlessly switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. In contrast, the previous 14 Pro struggled to initiate calls, often canceling right away due to the inadequacy of the modem. The upgraded modem has made a significant difference in this regard. Actually, the 16 Pro receiving the upgraded X75 modem is genuinely exciting, and these improvements include even better performance and a 20% reduction in power consumption, giving to enhanced battery life and reduced overheating concerns. However, the letdown comes with the regular 16, not featuring the flagship X75 modem, missing out on the new 5G advanced feature that promises significantly improved performance. Number 2. Redesigned action button. Apple seems to have settled on a definitive design for this feature. Recent adjustments to the action button's design have been observed. With modifications in sizing, rumors have hinted at the possibility of a larger and extended action button, specifically reserved for the 16 Pro models. The regular iPhone 16 models are rumored to be equipped with the action button for the first time. To maintain a distinctive and special appearance for the Pro models, Apple aimed to set them apart. According to certain leaks, Apple considered incorporating a capacitive action button, providing a smooth and flush appearance in contrast to the current button-like design. Additionally, rumors suggested the possibility of Apple consolidating the volume buttons into a single large rocker, featuring a central cut with a small action button positioned above it. A recent leak in the latest Pro 2 development stage indicates that Apple is opting to maintain the current design for the iPhone 16 Pro, with no alterations whatsoever. On the other hand, the standard iPhone 16 models are set to receive the new action button. It appears that Apple is reserving significant changes for the iPhone 17, keeping the iPhone 16 Pro's design consistent for now. Number 3. Samsung versus Apple. Moving on to the third update, which involves Apple's prominent competitor on the Android side, Samsung. In a groundbreaking development, Apple has, for the first time, surpassed Samsung in annual smartphone shipments. This is a significant milestone, especially considering that Samsung's average sale price for phones is lower, given their substantial distribution of budget-friendly devices. Regarding the leaks, we've already witnessed the leaked performance benchmarks for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, featuring the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. The results are promising and bode well for the 8 and A18 Pro chips. Number 4. 8 GB of RAM and Wi-Fi 6E. As per insights from Apple analyst Jeff Pu, the basic iPhone 16 models are poised to feature a substantial upgrade, boasting 8 GB of RAM and Wi-Fi 6E support. This aligns with the specifications currently present in the 15 Pro models. After several months with my 15 Pro Max, I can confidently say that it's the first phone where I encounter absolutely no issues with multitasking and apps no longer reset as they did on previous devices. The multitasking experience has been nothing short of amazing, and it's given the substantial 8 gigs of RAM, aligning with the capacity found on the M3 MacBook Pro. The more interesting part of this leak revolves around the potential inclusion of the A18 and A18 Pro chips in the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro models. My assumption is that both chips could be identical physically with the A18 Pro, featuring exclusive capabilities and more enabled cores. Recent evidence supporting this assumption emerges as both models are equipped with 8 gigs of RAM, simplifying the manufacturing process. However, when it comes to Wi-Fi capabilities, the iPhone 16 Pro models are rumored to be receiving the substantial upgrade to Wi-Fi 7. Number 5. Quad-level cell NAND flash memory. Now onto the 5th update, and this one brings a bit of disappointment for the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro models. According to a report from DG Times, the 1TB SSD models might experience a decline in performance compared to the current 1TB 15 Pros. It seems that Apple is aiming to cut costs on the new models by opting for more readily available and less expensive quad-level cell NAND flash memory for storage. Apple currently employs triple-level cell, commonly called TLC storage, known for its higher cost but superior performance, especially during the transfer of large files. Quad-level storage, on the other hand, gives 4 bits of data in a single cell instead of 3, expanding capacity, while maintaining the same footprint size, resulting in more cost-effective production. However, this choice comes with drawbacks, including slower performance and a reduced lifespan due to the increased complexity of transferring the additional bit back and forth within the cell. However, it appears that Apple is compelled to make this decision due to their consistent pricing of only $200 more for the 1TB storage option compared to the 512GB variant. This strategy has resulted in lower profits from the upgrade. Yet, the primary reason behind this decision seems to be connected to another factor, which leads us into the next update. Number 6. 2TB storage. As reported by a Korean tech blogger, the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro models are expected to introduce a groundbreaking 2TB storage option for the first time. This development is logical considering the rising trend of video recording, which has gained significant importance, particularly with the integration of Vision Pro headsets. This is among the reasons why Apple is incorporating the new capture button exclusively for video recording on the iPhone 16 Pro, as videos consume more storage space. However, it appears that the introduction of the new 2TB storage option is tied to Apple's shift to QLC, mean quad-level cell storage. This change allows Apple to acquire storage at a more affordable cost, without burdening users with exorbitant upgrade charges. Number 7. 24-megapixel front-facing camera. Concluding with the 7th update, a recent revelation from Ming-Chi Kuo suggests that the upcoming iPhone 17 in the next year will sport a revamped 24-megapixel front-facing camera, promising a significant enhancement in selfie image quality. This improvement is attributed to the incorporation of a new 6-element lens. Additionally, the iPhone 17 is poised to be the first in the lineup to integrate under-panel Face ID technology. This innovation is expected to provide more space, potentially accommodating a larger selfie camera sensor. What implications does this hold for the iPhone 16 Pro? It suggests that there won't be any camera alterations on the front, as the device is expected to retain the familiar 12-megapixel selfie camera. However, the positive news is that the iPhone 16 models will feature an upgraded 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the rear. Furthermore, the 16 Pro model is set to receive the coveted 5x camera, akin to the one found on the Pro Max, which happens to be my personal favorite. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.